Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to watch NFL on Roku. And it's really easy and simple. So basically, the NFL zone, which is within their sports experience on their home screen, right? Helps you to find the live and upcoming NFL games with the right apps on the Roku platform. And you can watch, weekly game previews, league highlights, and additional NFL content in a centralized location within the NFL zone. So to access this, right, you need to go ahead and get NFL Plus. So this is the exclusive streaming service of the league, and this exists within the NFL app and the NFL.com ecosystem. So you need to go ahead and find the NFL channel on the Roku channel, right? Which is the official free 24/7 channel of the NFL. And to see, the upcoming NFL games, the live games, you navigate to NFL Zone within the sports section of your home screen. So once you are there and when you want to watch, all you need to do is go ahead and get access to that on the NFL Plus Zone, okay? And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So you can also get this on YouTube TV. So you access your YouTube app or YouTube TV on your Roku device, and then you can sign up for NFL Zone as well. But otherwise, really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.